Hi friends, and welcome back to the Alicante Real Estate YouTube channel. My name is Vadim, and on this channel you will find the hottest offers and the best market prices in the Alicante region for properties. And today friends, I'm showing you probably the best offer we currently have for the price range of 170,000 euros in the market. And this is a two-bed apartment located right at the beach of Los Naufragos, and you can even see the beach in between the houses. It's a penthouse apartment, 175,000 euros, 2 bedrooms, renovated, and a garage space underneath the building included in the price. Huge terrace, you see. How much space this is offering. You have a lot of outside space. All the windows are new. Air conditioning is here. You see, it goes until here. You have a storage space here, and the neighbors on the right side and on the left side barely coming to their apartments, so you're basically very private here on the top of the building. The beach, Los Naufragos, counts as a very good, nice beach. It's offering a lot of space. There's the Alicante beach, the Naufragos beach, and a lot of different bars, restaurants, and supermarkets. The infrastructure is good here. The port of Torrevieja, the city center, is 5 minutes walk away. Good area, good apartment, some beautiful views. You can see some boats there. So nice location. Everything is good about this apartment. Okay, follow me inside because you will see everything is done here, renovated. And yeah, let's start the video tour. You see double glazed windows, completely new. We have here new floors, new kitchen, air conditioning, new furniture. Everything what you see, like almost everything beside of some personal stuff, is included in the price. And yeah, the living room is big enough. We have here the first bedroom with exit to the terrace. You can put television here, you have a nice bed here, and views. When you wake up, you have views directly to the sea. Yeah, you have access to the terrace here as well. And here's the main entry. The building is very well kept. I mean, a security door, very well kept. Look at the outside. Very well kept. This is your neighbors. Everything is very clean, nice. Most of the apartments are used for vacation, and a part of them are also living here. New doors inside. We have here a new bathroom with shower. Everything is new, you see. Also tiles are new. And the main bedroom as well, completely new. Again, views from the bedroom directly to the sea. This is the only apartment in this block which is offering views in between the buildings to the sea. So we have every bedroom sea views and nice sea views from the terrace. Okay, you see the size of the apartment, of the terrace, big enough. Television here as well. And that was the video tour, and I think this apartment for 175,000 euros, it's bottom price with garage space included, well, parking slot in the building, 2 bedrooms, renovated, new windows, air conditioning is new, bathroom new, big terrace, close to the beach. It offers everything you need. And even though it's in the building with many apartments, you're in the penthouse and you have a lot of privacy because these neighbors are barely here, and you're very close to the beach. I mean, this is like the best point of this apartment. Okay, if you want to reserve this, I would suggest you do it quick because first of all, I saw a 2-bed apartment today in the city center. Nothing compared to this for 170. And this is a penthouse with everything I told you for 175. I mean, the price it's a golden price. Yeah, send me a message down below. You will find my phone number. And you can write me WhatsApp because the property came out today on the market. Today it came out, and down below you'll find the link to this one. And I think it's gonna be yeah, reserved very quick. Be fast, and I never suggested you anything bad on this channel. Everything went up in price value. So I don't know. You have record of 4 years of videos on our channel, and nothing were ever a bad investment. All of them went up in price. Even though from the summer we made videos, they are already up in price. This one will be up in price in a couple of months again. And if you write me in 6 months, it will be sold already. Okay, this one has to be bought now, otherwise it's gonna be sold. Well, it's gonna be reserved, gone in the next few months. See you soon, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and see you soon friends in sunny Spain. Enjoy the view.